Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11th. In earlier video student, we have understand the concept of cloud computing and cloud services, in which we have covered that is SaaS and IaaS and PaaS and cloud networks like public and private. In this video, we are going to understand blockchain technology, which is also undercover under the cloud computing. So let's begin students. As you can see in study material, so actually blockchain technology is actually also covered under the cloud computing technology. A blockchain technology is a online ledger technology, in that we can understand it provides the information to a company and help them to record their transactions easily. The ledger is encrypted, that means to say secure. So communication on this sector can be done between the company and peer-to-peer network only when it is verified. That means to say student, a particular block technology is a special type of facility that provided by cloud computing to manage the ledger of the transactions between the company and peer-to-peer network. And it is very secure due to its encrypted nature. Or we can say, student, a blockchain is the algorithm for distributed ledger technology. That's why it is known as DLT. So actually DLT is one of the type of blockchain algorithm. As you know what is algorithm, it is a step-by-step solution of particular problem or steps. So here DLT blockchain is a concept that can be used in verified applications beyond the cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is a special type of currency. I will explain what is that. In a network like real estate, logistic, bank, financial sector, fintech, and electronics and survey also, and list endless in the expanded daily. Okay, so whatever the cryptocurrency we are talking about, that it is having the expansion daily in life. Many government and leading banks have decided to bring many their conventional transaction on blockchain concepts. The application and potential of this framework is huge, and it is considered to be changing the way to transact in a various domain. Nowadays we can say that Digital India supports this particular blockchain technology, in that the cryptocurrency is considered as a encrypted content which is handled by blockchain technology by cloud computing. It may be a distributed ledger technology also, that means to say different server can handle simultaneously. The biggest example, in the recent year there is a lot of buzz in a blockchain. Many have distributed this most distributed technology of the decade. Escapely, the financial markets could be done in affected ones. The technology is being adapted into many verticals like healthcare, medicine, insurance, smart properties, automobile, and governments. The most successful implementation of blockchain is definitely Bitcoin. I think student you heard about that. What is Bitcoin? So a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, which incidentally is also the first implementation of blockchain technology. Thus, to understand blockchain technology, it is best to understand how Bitcoin system is designed and implemented. So student, I hope you have learned what is blockchain technology and what is cryptocurrency, and who implemented, that is Bitcoin is the biggest example who implemented this particular blockchain technology. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day.